Hello everyone, welcome back. Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to turn off auto debugging in YouTube for all videos. So now I opened the random video and I will hover over the video like this, and here you have the settings on the right side. Just click on the settings cogwheel icon and it will show you all these options. Just go to audio track, click on it, then choose the original language like so. Or if you want to disable it permanently, you just have to scroll down till you find here edit or edit your preferred languages. Just click on it and it will redirect you to this page. Click on add or edit languages. Then here you should choose the preferred language, which here in my case is English. So I'm gonna go to English and select all these English accents and all these English languages. And in this case, I will turn off or disable the auto debugging. Now let's say that you are a YouTuber and you want to disable the auto debugging on your videos. You just have to go to the studio on the top right side, click on your profile icon. Then go and click on YouTube Studio. Then you want to go to upload defaults. So you want to go and click on settings on the bottom left side. Then you want to go to upload defaults on the left side. Then here you want to go to advanced settings. And here you should find an option saying auto debugging. So you just have to uncheck it and you're all done. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.